Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best pond vacuum. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Lxun Pond Vacuum. The Mini Jet Handheld Jet Vacuum Cleaner, created by Lxun, is a pond vacuum powered by your garden hose water pressure. It's built from ABS plastic and includes a 5-piece pole set, forming a 4-foot length when assembled. This suits ponds under 4 feet deep, not deeper ones. What's great is that the Mini Jet provides a vacuum head with brushes included. Also, it offers a reusable mesh debris bag, a water inlet connector, and a quick hose connector. While the Mini Jet is effective at sucking up leaves, dirt, and settled grime from pond bottoms, it faces some difficulty in removing tough grime and larger debris pieces. Number 7 in my list is Pool Blaster Pond Vacuum. The Pool Blaster Catfish Ultra battery-powered pool vacuum earns its place in our top pond vacuum cleaners reviews. Despite being labeled a pool cleaner, many people actually use it for ponds. This vacuum operates on an 8.4-volt battery, so it's self-contained and doesn't need a power cord or suction hose. It's equipped with a 4-piece pole set, creating a 3.75-foot length when assembled. It's important to note that this vacuum isn't suitable for deep backyard ponds, but it works well for ponds under 4 feet deep. Included with this vacuum is a 10.5-inch wide vacuum head featuring scrubbing brushes, a reusable filter bag, a debris container, and a nose cap connecting to the vacuum head. This versatile cleaner can handle both pool and pond cleaning tasks effectively. Number 6 in my list is Pool Supply Pond Vacuum. The Pool Supply Town vacuum cleaner with brush operates using water pressure, much like the previously mentioned Poolwhale unit. When you utilize this pond vacuum, there's no noise or electricity required. It excels at effectively clearing debris from a pond's sides and bottom. However, a major drawback is the absence of a pole. You'll need your existing pond or pool vacuum pole, or come up with your own makeshift solution. Despite being very affordable and user-friendly, its small vacuum head means cleaning a pond, especially a large one, could be time-consuming. Number 5 in my list is Poolwhale Portable Pond Vacuum. Ideal for budget-conscious pond owners, the Poolwhale Portable Vacuum Jet Underwater Cleaner is a pond vacuum powered by water pressure from a garden hose. Hose water enters the vacuum, creating suction to pull debris into the included nylon mesh collection bag. This vacuum is incredibly simple, lacking a pump or filter. Using this pond vacuum is a breeze. Just connect it to your garden hose. Turn on the water, and the pressure sucks debris, leaves, and gunk into the mesh net. This vacuum earns a spot in our top 5 due to its surprising effectiveness, affordability, and ease of assembly and use. Number 4 in my list is HalfOff Pond Vacuum. We're amazed by the HalfOff Pond's Clean Sweep 1400. It swiftly and effectively removes debris and stubborn muck from ponds. With a 1,400-watt motor, this compact unit offers easy handling and a powerful vacuum effect. The pond vacuum features a 13-foot-long intake hose with a handle designed for hassle-free cleaning. It includes 3 cleaning nozzles, a debris collection bag, and 4 intake hose extension tubes, allowing access to hard-to-reach spots. Number 3 in my list is Oase Pond Vacuum. For more than 10 years, pond owners have wholeheartedly trusted the Pondovac Classic. This reliable pond vacuum cleaner excels at effectively removing sludge and debris from ponds of various sizes and shapes in backyards. We've rated it as the ultimate pond vacuum cleaner because it garners favorable online reviews and is equipped with all the necessary features to ensure a pleasant pond cleaning experience. The Pondovac Classic showcases a compact design alongside a built-in handle for easy maneuvering. Weighing a mere 23.5 pounds, it is capable of cleaning ponds up to 6 feet deep. It comes complete with a 13-foot-long suction hose and a power cord of equal length, providing ample reach and flexibility. Number 2 in my list is Starument Portable Pond Vacuum. Power vacuums can get quite heavy, especially when they're full of debris, sludge, and muck. It's always a good idea to choose a vacuum with wheels, no matter the pond or water garden size. If a vacuum lacks proper wheels and handle design, it's best to avoid it to prevent the risk of getting hurt. If you're set on a specific model without mobility features, make sure it's light enough for easy carrying. Static water vacuums aren't really meant for larger ponds. They're more suited for smaller swimming pools, where they can clean the entire area without needing to move from the pool side. Number 1 in my list is Attachments Pond Vacuum. The level of flexibility you desire for cleaning guides your consideration of vacuum attachments and nozzle sizes. For instance, a basic vacuum with one head attachment might not be large enough for leaves and big debris, but it suits silt. Conversely, a vacuum with multiple attachments should offer various sizes for both fine buildup and large debris. At the least, you need a wide brim cleaning head, shown, and a smaller narrow head, shown. These allow you to clean larger surfaces and tight corners with ease. Opting for a model that offers more choices is usually the better decision for greater versatility. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing incoming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.